At Regional Hospice, they not only cared for my husband, but they cared for me also. They would call me every time they came to see him to say, well, he was doing okay, or he was doing, you know, really good today, or just how he was feeling. But I thought that was so great that they let me know all the time when they came, and if I didn't happen to be there when they were there. We were questioning hospice because we thought it was a you know, end of life, and we knew Bob wasn't at that point. He just needed more care, and that's what hospice gave us. Regional Hospice gave us so many special memories, and especially Pastor Greg Buck, and he would bring his guitar and sing, and Bob always thought that he would say he had a concert today. All of those things that Regional Hospice had done in that last year was so refreshing, because it was hard to talk to Bob, and they made it easier for me to think that there was someone else there for him. They not only cared for him, but they cared about my feelings too.